In the wake of upcoming festive season, Central Railway has announced to run 1,632 special trains, and we have with us Mr. Swapnil Neela, Chief Public Relations Officer of Central Railway. We'll speak with him and will know what is the planning and how these special trains will run. Sir, what is the planning about this 1,622 32 trains?
As for every year, Central Railway plans to run additional special trains for the convenience of passengers in view of the upcoming festival season, Deepavali as well as the Chhath Puja. This year, Central Railway has announced 1662 special trains which are plying, and the plying has been started from 22nd of September itself. These trains are primarily dedicated for the convenience of passengers who are traveling to their hometowns, specifically for the occasion of Diwali and Chhath. Approximately 1,000 trains are being run for those destinations where Chhath Puja is celebrated, primarily Bihar, UP and Kolkata side, which include various stations like Danapur, Saharsa, Asansol, Gorakhpur and many other stations. The trains are originating primarily from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and Lokmanya Tilak Terminus in Mumbai, again from Pune and Nagpur. For the convenience of passengers who are traveling by these special trains, we have also created holding areas at various locations, which include again Lokmanya Tilak Terminus, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Pune and Nagpur. These holding areas are adequate to hold around 4,000 to 5,000 passengers who will be waiting for their trains. In these holding areas, we have provided for the facilities for toilet facilities for the passengers, as well as we have made available the food arrangements. At the same time, an innovative proposal of using mobile UTS machines, which will be helping passengers into issuance of ticket, have also been organized at all the holding areas. During this period, we have activated the additional counter which will be providing the tickets to the passengers. At the same time, we have increased the number of May I Help You booths, which will be helping passengers in their information gaps, or they will be providing the real-time information to the passengers.
Sir, how many trains will be originated from Mumbai?
From two stations in Mumbai, primarily Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus as well as Lokmanya Tilak Terminus. Around 300 special trains will be starting from here, and similar number of trains will be terminating from various destinations at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and Lokmanya Tilak Terminus.
Sir, out of 1,632 trains, how many trains will be for North India?
Approximately 1,000 trains will be run for North India and various destinations across Delhi, again Bihar, UP, West Bengal, as well as the northeastern parts of India.
Thank you very much, sir, for speaking with Lokmat Times with video journalist Pranit Hate, Sonu Kanojia, Lokmat Times, Mumbai.